Cebu City. Known as the Queen City of the South, it is a place where the past and present blend seamlessly. The name alone conjures images of pristine beaches and tropical paradise. But there's so much more to this vibrant city than just its stunning coastline. Soar above this island metropolis with a drone, and a different kind of beauty unfolds. From the sky, you can see the intricate layout of the city, a blend of natural and man-made wonders, a tapestry of old and new, where Spanish colonial churches stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers. These historical landmarks tell stories of a bygone era, while the contemporary structures speak of progress and innovation. This is Cebu, a city where history whispers in the wind and progress hums with vibrant energy. The juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a unique atmosphere that is both nostalgic and forward-looking. The bustling streets below teem with life, the air thick with the scent of freshly cooked seafood and the sound of jeepneys honking their cheerful tunes. Street vendors line the roads, offering a variety of local delicacies and handmade crafts. From above, the chaos melts away, revealing the city's unique charm. The vibrant colors of the buildings, the lush greenery of the parks, and the sparkling blue waters of the surrounding sea all come together to create a breathtaking panorama. It's a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, offering a glimpse into the soul of the Philippines. Whether you're exploring its historical sites, enjoying its modern amenities, or simply taking in the stunning views, Cebu City is a destination that captivates and inspires. Cebu City is a fascinating blend of old-world charm and modern dynamism. Nestled in the heart of the Philippines, this city is a living museum where the past and the present coexist in a harmonious dance. As you wander through its streets, you can almost hear the whispers of history mingling with the hum of modern life. Crumbling Spanish colonial structures stand proudly alongside sleek, glass-fronted buildings, creating a visual narrative that tells the story of centuries gone by and the promise of the future. These architectural contrasts are not just about aesthetics, they are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Cebuanos. A testament to the city's rich history and its aspirations for the future, these landmarks serve as a bridge between eras. The historical landmarks like the iconic Magellan's Cross and the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño stand as proud reminders of the city's storied past, while the modern infrastructure signals its forward-looking vision. The narrow cobblestone streets of the old city, once traversed by horse-drawn carriages, now echo with the sounds of motorcycles and jeepneys. These streets are the lifeblood of Cebu, bustling with activity and energy, yet they retain a sense of nostalgia that transports you back in time. Yet, amidst the urban sprawl, pockets of tranquility remain. These green spaces are not just patches of nature, they are sanctuaries where people can escape the hustle and bustle of city life. They offer a breath of fresh air, quite literally, and a moment of peace in an otherwise fast-paced environment. Lush green parks offer respite from the city's hustle and bustle, providing a serene environment for families to gather, children to play, and individuals to find a moment of solitude. These parks are the lungs of the city, offering a much-needed break from the concrete jungle. While ancient churches provide solace and spiritual nourishment, these sacred spaces are more than just places of worship. They are community hubs where people come together to celebrate, to mourn, and to find comfort. The churches stand as pillars of faith and tradition, grounding the city in its cultural roots. This juxtaposition of old and new is what makes Cebu City truly unique. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, where history and modernity are not in conflict, but in conversation. This blend creates a rich tapestry that is both complex and beautiful, a city that has managed to preserve its heritage while embracing progress. Cebu City is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey through time that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether you're drawn to its historical landmarks or its modern attractions, Cebu City offers something for everyone, making it a truly remarkable place to explore. Zooming in on Cebu Park, we see the city's future unfolding. A hub of innovation and technological advancement, the park is a testament to Cebu's rapid growth and development. Sleek office buildings house multinational companies, while trendy cafes buzz with the energy of young professionals. The park is a microcosm of Cebu City's transformation into a global player, attracting talent and investment from around the world. Yet, even amidst this modern marvel, nature finds a way. Green spaces dot the park, offering a welcome respite from the concrete jungle and a reminder of Cebu's natural bounty. Our drone now takes us to Magellan's Cross, a symbol of Cebu's pivotal role in Philippine history. Housed in a small chapel, the cross marks the spot where Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese explorer, planted the cross upon his arrival in 1521. This unassuming wooden cross represents the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines, a turning point in the nation's history. Today, it stands as a reminder of Cebu's enduring legacy and its place at the crossroads of cultures. Section 5. A Legacy of Faith. Adjacent to Magellan's Cross stands the Basilica del Santo Niño, a grand church that holds a special place in the hearts of Cebuanos. This centuries-old basilica is home to the image of the Santo Niño, the child Jesus, a revered religious icon that draws thousands of devotees each year. The basilica's ornate facade and soaring bell towers are a testament to the enduring power of faith in Cebu. The vibrant religious festivals held here, particularly the Tumalog festival, are a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and its deep-rooted spirituality. As our drone glides over the city, we hear the constant thrum of life below. The rhythmic honking of jeepneys, the chatter of vendors in bustling markets, the laughter of children playing in the streets, these are the sounds of Cebu. Cebu City is a sensory overload in the best possible way. The air is thick with the aroma of street food, the colors are vibrant and bold, and the people exude a warmth and hospitality that is both disarming and infectious. It's a city that pulsates with life, inviting you to shed your inhibitions and embrace its infectious energy. Beyond the city's urban sprawl, Cebu's natural beauty beckons. Pristine beaches with turquoise waters and powdery white sand offer a slice of paradise. Lush green mountains rise in the distance, promising adventure and breathtaking views. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, Cebu has something to offer every traveler. From swimming with whale sharks in Oslab to exploring the Kawasan Falls, Cebu's natural wonders are sure to leave you breathless. Cebu City is a city that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Nestled in the heart of the Philippines, this vibrant metropolis is a blend of the old and the new, where ancient traditions meet modern innovations. As you walk through its bustling streets, you'll find a city that is alive with energy and brimming with stories waiting to be told. It's a place where history, culture, and modernity collide, creating a vibrant tapestry that is both captivating and inspiring. From the historic Magellan's Cross to the modern skyscrapers that dot the skyline, Cebu City offers a unique blend of the past and the present. The city's rich history is evident in its well-preserved landmarks, while its dynamic culture is showcased in its festivals, art, and cuisine. It's a city that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your senses, and leave you with a profound appreciation for the resilience and warmth of the Filipino spirit. The streets are filled with the sounds of daily life, from the chatter of locals in the markets to the melodies of street musicians. The aroma of freshly cooked street food wafts through the air, inviting you to taste the flavors of Cebu. So come and discover Cebu, a city that is much more than just a pretty face. It's a place where every corner has a story, every building has a history, and every person has a tale to tell. Whether you're exploring the ancient forts, visiting the bustling markets, or simply enjoying the scenic views, Cebu City promises an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. It's a city with a story to tell. A story that unfolds with every drone shot, every street corner turned, every interaction with its warm and welcoming people. The true essence of Cebu lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, the traditional with the contemporary, creating a city that is as diverse as it is unified. So come and immerse yourself in the magic of Cebu, a city that will leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul. Experience Cebu like never before. Let a drone be your guide, revealing the city's hidden gems and breathtaking vistas. From the soaring skyscrapers of Cebuit Park to the ancient walls of Fort San Pedro, see Cebu from a whole new perspective. Book your Cebu adventure today and discover the magic that awaits from above. Your Cebu story begins now.